This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have NFC on and a tag in hand. Start by enabling NFC in your phone settings and opening the Reader app. Hold the tag near your device's antenna, usually the back center, and wait for a confirmation beep or vibration. Once detected, examine the tag details shown by the app so you know its type and lock state. This matters because some tags are read-only. If the tag reports writable, proceed to authoring. If read-only, you can still use it to store simple links or ID. Now you'll create the content you want the tag to deliver and program it. In the app, pick an action, URL, text, vCard, Wi-Fi credentials, or a custom NDEF payload, and enter the data. Make sure your content fits within the tag's capacity reported earlier. Oversized payloads will fail. Once you've previewed the record, tap right and hold the tag steady near the antenna until the app confirms success. If needed, set a password or lock bits to prevent accidental overwrites, but finish by testing the tag in real-world conditions. Scan with different phones, at various orientations and distances, and trigger the intended action. Once it works reliably, mount the tag where intended and inform users how to tap properly. If something goes wrong, first retry writing and reduce data size. Replace the tag if it's defective. Also check for metal surfaces or cases that block NFC and make sure the tag wasn't accidentally locked. Keep any lock password safe if you secure the tag for future updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.